The greatest threat to our planet is not climate change, but our failure to understand ecology. If we can restore that understanding, we can save ourselves and the planet. That's the message of the book I've just published with my co-author Permaculture News. It's called The Green Revolution: How Ecology Can Save Our Planet from Climate Catastrophe. I'm going to give away the contents of the book chapter by chapter in this video series. And there I saw for myself how a society that lived in harmony with nature could flourish. Unfortunately, when I returned to that village 20 years later, I found that the people had been persuaded to adopt modern agricultural practices that were destroying the very ecosystems that they depended upon. So clearly, there's a huge appetite for this kind of education. In this first episode, I'll explain how the ideas in the book came together and why I think this is such an important topic. I'll be giving away the contents of the book one chapter at a time. I hope you enjoy it, and I look forward to hearing what you have to say. In 2019, I was asked to give a series of lectures at a university on the topic of ecological design and climate change. But after that, it seemed that ecology fell out of favor and was replaced by the study of individual genes, proteins, and cells. It means knowing how energy flows and how nutrients cycle through living systems. It means understanding the relationships between organisms and their environment, including the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, the lithosphere, and the biosphere. And it means understanding the history of life on Earth and how the diversity of life has increased over billions of years. The lectures were well received, but I was struck by how little the students knew about ecology. In 2006, I worked with a team of educators to develop the first online ecological literacy course. It was called Introduction to Ecological Design and was hosted on a popular education platform. That got me thinking about the whole issue of ecological literacy. When I was at university in the 1970s, ecology was all the rage. There was even an Ecological Society of Australia. In the 1980s, I lived in a small village in Nepal in the foothills of the Himalayas. That's when I really started a campaign for ecological literacy to be part of the school curriculum. Now, 16 years later, that course has been taken over 3 million times and translated into 28 languages. But what does ecological literacy actually mean? Well, it means understanding how the natural world works. So if you want to learn more about ecology, keep watching this series.